Welcome to Testpots. My name is Mele. Let me show you what we do in here. So when people come and ask for a sample, that's where Testpot comes in. And then they can take it home and get their sample, put it on the wall. If that's the color they like, then they'll come back and order their paint. You can see, I've got 5 people here, and it's really nice. When it's only a small group of people, it's easy to control. This is where we enter all the colors, whatever we can. So by entering that batch number into here, that should tell us what color it is. And then from here, then we'll just put it in the hopper. And then I go up here, and then I put the paint into the hopper here. He's a lovely person. Louis, your hard case. So with every color, once we finish doing the changeover, we need to wash the hopper to get it ready for the next one. This is where we put the empty test pot, and then it goes right through there for the color to go in, and then it comes around here, and then everything will be printed, barcode, item codes all in there. This is where we do our hand canning. We still do hand canning, like the Woodsman, Enhanced, Fluoro, and Nightlight. We do it here on this bench. This is where we can the 250ml test pot, which is this one. I love working in this little department. This is where I started 24 years ago, and I'm still here. And I just love the people that I work with. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for coming.